The purpose of this video is to show users how to access Curriculog and to find their PIN. The first step is navigating to the Provost Office Curriculog webpage that has all the resources for logging in. It's westga.edu and VPAA Curriculog. You'll select Login to Curriculog here. Choose the Login option at the top right corner. You will sign on with your University of West Georgia username and password, as we're operating under single sign-on now. Once logging in, you click your name, My Settings, select your name here, and you will find your PIN down here at the bottom. Click here to view your PIN. If you do not have a PIN assigned to your name, please contact curriculog@westga.edu for a PIN to be assigned to you.